Subscribe to Technical Yes channel and press the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to scan your QR code of your workbook and watch the videos and complete your notes. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, first go to Google Play Store and afterwards type your Allern active. If you have not installed the app, so click on install, but I have already installed, so I will click on open. So if you are a new user, so click on register a new workbook and afterwards scan, but I have already registered my 3 workbooks, and then I will show you how to scan your QR scanner. So click on QR scanner. So scan your QR code and watch the videos. And this system is not supporting QR scanner, so you can go like this and you can watch also if the QR scanner is not supporting your phone, then you can watch any videos.